Hi guys, welcome to News and Notes. I am Gopika Ramakrishnan. Coming for you for the information about the Kerala Teacher Eligibility Test, that is CATET examination. It's maybe conducting on May month. The exam is we can start from April 28th onwards. Usually the exam date will be announced with the notification, but now due to the COVID pandemic situation, the date of the examination is not declared, but maybe it's come between 20 days before the examination. But you can apply the application 28th of April onwards. Okay, so we can go to the assets. You can apply 28th onwards. You can apply 28th of April onwards, and its application date will be ended in 6th, and the final printout can be taken up to May 7th. Okay, the exam date is not declared. It will be declared 20 days before the examination. Who can apply for this? Mostly the TTC and B.Ed candidate can apply for CATET, but the CATET exam is 4 category based. The category 1 is primary section, that is lower primary, LP school teachers. If you pass this examination, category 1, then you can become a LP school. You can apply for LP school teacher. Hey, who can apply? The TTC and B.Ed candidates can apply for the category 1. Okay. If category 2 is based on upper primary level, in the section the B.Ed degree and TTC degree candidates can. If you have TTC and degree in a subject, then you can apply for category 2. Then if you qualified category 2, you can become a upper primary teacher. And B.Ed plus BSc or BA or any degree, B.Ed plus a concerned subject in degree, you can apply for category 2. Category 2 is a 2 section, that is, one is social studies and the other one is science and mathematics. There is 2 section other. If you have science subject, you can apply for mathematics and science. If you have history or social studies subject, then you can apply for social studies. Okay. The category 3 is high school teacher. In this section, the teachers who have B.Ed with degree holders, say MA or BA or BSc or MSc candidates can apply for this post. The language teachers for high school teachers can also be apply for category 3. The category 4 is for language teachers in upper primary section. Okay, category 4 is for upper primary section. In this category, they need B.Ed plus degree. Okay, if you have B.Ed plus degree, BA or B.Ed plus degree or TTC plus BA or degree, they can apply for category 4. Okay, category 1 is for lower primary section. If you pass the category 1, then only you can apply for category 1. Apply for lower primary teacher. And the category 2 is for social science teacher or maths and science teachers. And category 4 is for upper primary language teachers. Okay. The high school HSA is for language teachers in high school and the other teachers in high school. The category 3 is totally for high school teachers. Okay. The CATET exam you can apply in the 3 websites, that is catet.kerala.gov.in or keralaparikshabhavan.in or in scrt.kerala.gov.in. The official website is catet.kerala.gov.in. How to apply for the exam? Okay, you can apply in the official website is catet.kerala.gov.in. You can go through the home page and click the new registration button. Then you will get a instructions, so that your name and the other things you should upload it, and the photo and the other details will be asked. You should correctly upload. Okay, no unnecessary. You should correctly apply for this post. Then your final submission. Before the final submission, you can edit, and if you want you can edit. If you submit the final submission button, then you cannot edit those details. So you should check out is it correct or wrong you have uploaded. Then you can submit final submission. After, you should save and click and preview the details you have applied. If you want to edit the application, just click. There will be an option that is edit your application. You can click on edit your application. Then you can proceed final submission and proceed the payment. The payment can be done through e-challan, but now e-challan is not. You can pay in Friends or any other way, Akshaya or any centers, and it's more better to be in SBI or net banking payment. That's mostly better. And after submitting all those details and submission, we should take a printout of that application. You should take that printout and the register number. Then only you can proceed. You can take out the hall ticket and other details. So you should print out and take safe about, because the exam may be in May or it may be delayed or any chance. We cannot surety about that. And application number and application ID. If you have application number and application ID, then you can only take the hall ticket. If you want to take the hall ticket, should have application number and application ID. So that is important. That's why should take the printout of that application and take care it. Then the application details are application details in Malayalam is given. It's a name. Should take the name and date of birth, your caste, religion and category. Category means SC, ST or OBC or OAC or general category, because it's important that the caste, religion and category, because for general category generally it is 90 marks for pass the examination, but for OBC or OAC category they have 3% discount and they need 85 mark for the pass examination. For SC and ST category, you need only 82 mark. So if you upload this mark, then only it will be useful for you. And there is a fees change for this category. For general category, it is 500, and for the consideration categories, it is 250 only. So you should always take care of this. If you have the caste or any certificate, you should be while going for application should take that also. And also need passport size photo. Its background should be plain, blue or white. Its background should be plain and it should be in JPG or JPEG format. It's between 2 KB to 3 KB. It should not be less than 20 KB or more than 30 KB. It should be between 20 KB to 30 KB. And it should be in a pixel 152 to 200 size. So these things are very important while applying. And after the application, you should check out, and if you want, you should always take care it, and you should take the printout and take out the printout. Okay, the last date is May 6, 2021. Don't wait for May 6th. Should apply before that. You can apply from 28 to 26. Okay, all the best, all of you. Thank you.